Hello, this is Laura, and welcome to Become a Fluent English Speaker. Welcome to day 50 of your English Fluency Challenge. First of all, take a moment and appreciate yourself. You have reached day 50. That means you are no longer someone who is only trying to learn English. You are becoming someone who can actually live in English, think in English, and express real thoughts confidently. Today, we are going to work on something deeper than grammar and vocabulary. We're going to work on building a natural English mindset, because true fluency begins when English stops feeling like a subject and starts feeling like a part of your life. Let me ask you something honestly. When you hear English now, does it feel more familiar than before? Do you notice yourself understanding faster or speaking more naturally? That is growth. And today, we are going to strengthen that even more. Let me tell you something important. Fluent people do not translate every sentence. They connect directly with ideas, emotions, and communication. That is the level you're reaching now. Let's start with a simple idea. Bring English into your daily thinking. For example, when you wake up in the morning, think in English. Say, "Today I want to stay productive and focused." Or right now, I feel energetic and motivated. These small habits train your brain naturally. Now let's go deeper. Describe your surroundings in English. Look around and explain what you see. For example, the weather feels calm today, and the environment around me feels peaceful. Or I can hear people talking nearby, and it feels like a normal busy day. This builds natural thinking ability. Now let's practice. Speak about your current moment. Start right now. I am listening carefully and focusing on improving my fluency. Continue. Describe your thoughts, feelings, and environment naturally. Keep going. Now let's move to your first exercise. It is called Daily English Mindset. Throughout the day, ask yourself simple questions in English. For example, what should I focus on today? Or how do I feel right now? Then answer yourself in English. This creates automatic thinking patterns. Now, your second exercise is emotional fluency. Speak about your feelings naturally. For example, today I feel more confident because I can express my ideas more clearly than before. Or sometimes I still feel nervous that I know I am improving step by step. This creates authentic communication. Now let's go deeper. Your third exercise is think without translating. Do not search for perfect words. Focus on simple and direct communication. For example, instead of trying to sound advanced, say exactly what you feel in simple English. That is real fluency. Now let's practice real conversation. Someone asks, "How has your mindset changed during this challenge?" The more English becomes part of your normal life, the more natural your fluency becomes. And now let me share something important. Fluency is not built in one perfect moment. It is built through thousands of small moments of practice, patience, and consistency. Every single day you continue, your brain changes little by little. Now let me talk to you honestly. You have reached day 50. That means your English is not just improving, it is becoming part of your identity. You're learning how to think, feel, and communicate naturally in another language. That is an incredible achievement. Now let's do one powerful exercise together. Speak for 1 minute about how your English journey has changed you. Start. This English journey has changed me because. Continue. Talk about your confidence, mindset, communication, and personal growth. Keep your tone honest and expressive. Now let me give you one powerful tip. Stop asking yourself when you will become fluent. Start noticing how much more fluent you already are compared to before. Progress becomes powerful when you recognize it. Now let's do one final practice. Imagine someone asks, "What does fluency mean to you now?" You respond, "For me, fluency means expressing my thoughts naturally, communicating confidently, and feeling comfortable while speaking without fear." This is deep and natural. Now, before we finish, I want you to take action. Write in the comments, day 50 complete, and this time write one sentence about how this journey has changed your mindset. Keep it honest and meaningful. This is Laura, and remember, real fluency is not just learning English. It is becoming a more confident version of yourself through communication. I will see you in day 51. Keep going.